Have you ever wondered why we often make irrational decisions when it comes to money? Why do we allow emotions and biases to cloud our judgment and lead us astray? Today, we delve into the insights from Carl Richards' book, The Behavior Gap: Simple Ways to Stop Doing Dumb Things with Money, which explores these questions and more. In this thought-provoking piece, Richards pulls back the curtain on the common human tendencies that often lead us to make less than ideal financial choices. He doesn't just stop at identifying these pitfalls, but also provides practical strategies to overcome them. Richards begins by shedding light on how behavioral biases, such as overconfidence and fear, can significantly influence our financial decisions. Similarly, he points out the potential damage caused by emotional reactions, as feelings like fear and greed can spur impulsive actions that jeopardize our long-term financial goals. Clarity emerges as a crucial element throughout the book. Richards underscores the importance of having a defined financial plan and sticking to it, irrespective of market volatility or emotional upheavals. He also champions simplicity over complexity, advocating for straightforward financial strategies and shunning hard-to-understand investments. A recurring theme in the book is the value of a long-term perspective. Richards encourages readers to resist short-term speculation or attempts to time the market, focusing instead on long-term investment strategies. He warns against the allure of chasing trends or predicting market movements, as these pursuits often lead to disappointing results. Understanding your risk tolerance and aligning your asset allocation accordingly is another key takeaway from Richards' book. He also cautions against the comparison trap, advising readers not to measure their financial situation or investments against others, as it can lead to unnecessary stress and misguided decisions. Recognizing when to seek professional advice is another valuable point Richards makes. He suggests turning to financial professionals or advisors for objective expert guidance when dealing with complex financial matters. Finally, Richards urges readers to focus on what they can control. This includes factors like saving, spending, and investment costs, rather than trying to predict or control market outcomes. In conclusion, The Behavior Gap offers a deep dive into the psychological aspects of personal finance and investing. It equips readers with practical advice to sidestep common behavioral traps and make more rational, informed financial decisions. Remember, while the book provides useful guidance, it's crucial to tailor these strategies to your personal circumstances and seek professional advice for significant financial decisions. So take control of your financial future,